Hello, good day. Welcome back to our video tutorials on Windows 7. So today we will create a bootable flash drive using command prompt or the DOS command. So the Windows 7 operating system is already installed in the system. And then what we are going to do, we will need the DVD disk where the Windows 7 located, and then the flash drive that we are going to create the bootable. Okay, so to do that, click start button, and then on the search bar type CMD, and then right click, run as administrator, and then click yes, and then on this type the desk part, enter. So and then type less disk to view all the drives inserted on the computer. So we have here the desk 0 online, that is 232 gigabytes. That is our local desk drive or HDD. And then desk 1 online, that is 7.6 gigabytes. That is our flash drive. Select desk 1. Then so you need to type again the less desk to determine if the desk 1 is already selected. So to identify, you can see the asterisk before the desk 1. So the identification that the desk 1 is already selected. So type clean desk and then enter. So desk part succeeded in cleaning the desk. And then type create partition primary, and then enter. So this part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Then type select partition 1. So partition 1 is now selected partition. Okay, and then enter. So this time the flash drive is being formatted. So take note, when you type format, do not forget to type the quick, because once you only type format fs equals to ntfs without quick, so it will take times to format the flash drive. So 100% completed, so it's already done formatting the flash drive. Then make the flash drive active, so type active and then enter. So this part succeeded or mark the current partition as active, and then assign. So by typing assign, so the system is automatically assign drive later on the flash drive. So assign, so and then enter. Okay, so to identify if what is the new drive on the flash drive, you need to open the My Computer, and then you can see here the new drive letter for the flash drive or the removable disk is drive F. And then exit the disk part. So this time, open the optical drive. So by typing the drive letter of the optical drive. So here the assigned letter for the optical drive is drive E. And then click enter. So drive E is already here. So the
Sige.
go ahead. So that is the optical drive, drive E. So where the Windows 7 installer is located. Type cdboot to open the boot sec on the optical drive or the desk. So once the boot folder on the DVD desk is open, type the or copy the boot sector from the DVD desk to the flash drive. So that is the command bootSec.exe /NT60 and then space, then the drive letter of the flash drive. So the drive letter of the flash drive is F. So the system will copy the boot menu from the DVD desk to the flash drive. Okay, succeeded updated in TFS file system boot code. So boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volume. And then exit. So this time we already created the flash drive bootable using the command prompt. So what we're going to do now is we'll copy manually whatever the data files located on the DVD or optical drive, the installer. So we will copy manually from the DVD then to the flash drive. Okay, so the system is already copying the files from the DVD drive or DVD desk, the installer Windows 7 to the DVD desk, or from the DVD desk to the flash drive. And then we will wait until the system finishes copying. Masa nilang ipanghimo, naghimo sila unsa nilang bootable. Naghimo sila bootable flash drive. So muna ilang i-practicean ron. Ayaw, space. Pero napay kodigo. Mo din ni akong assistant. There. May nagkuan di as computer. Okay, so the system finished copying the file. So we will determine if the all files from the DVD disk is copied from or copied to the removable disk. So we will open the removable disk drive. Okay, so the files from the DVD disk is already copied. So the flash drive is a bootable flash drive ready for installation. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.